Hello, my name is Athena. I am a student at Fashion Institute of Technology. I'll be graduating next year. And so far, my concentration is in knitwear, and this is the first time I'm talking to a camera, so it's very weird for me. But I wanted to vlog my knitting process. And I started this project. This is a knitting for Olive tank top, and I started this project in 2024 when I got the yarn on a trip to Austria. And then I made it kind of halfway, and then I completely had to frog it because I realized that I messed up the cast on. I did not cast on enough stitches. So this is my second attempt of doing this, and the reason why I paused doing this for so long actually was, I'm going to show a mistake I made. In the hem that you have to do, you have to like fold it and then knit it. So it's supposed to look like this, and it's supposed to be flat. But instead, I folded it too much and it looks kind of curved. I didn't like it, and I thought maybe I should frog it again and completely redo it, but after it being a whip for like 2 years now, I just want to get done. So I really want to finish this, and I've been working on it, following the chart and everything. And I wanted to perpetually update.
Spirits in your potted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. But I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever.
Right, the lighting is not good, but that doesn't matter. I have knitting updates. So I'll show you what I have done. So right now it looks like I have nothing done, but I have the 2 straps done. My top. Here it is, 2 straps for the front, and right now I am working on the back. This is the back. I have a lot of ends to weave in, but I'm almost done, and I wanted to update because hopefully by the next clip I will be done, and that's all that matters. And yeah, so this is my top. I'm at the beach. My family likes to talk, so that's why they're talking in the background. And I wanted to update, so here's the top, here's the front, here's the back. I'm gonna work on the back straps and then weave in the ends and block it, and hopefully I will be done soon. So
Or is there someone else beside you? Left a left hand side behind and let you down? Or have you figured out how to sleep all by yourself? I know you always like to have someone around, and I can't let a good thing, can't let a good thing, I can't let a good thing lie. How you feeling now? 'Cause it's all in your face, you won't retract to me. And the world before me's turning. I'm afraid of what I'm learning. I'm afraid I've done some things I can't explain, because I can't let a good thing, can't let a good thing, I can't let a good thing, no, and I can't let a good thing, I can't let a good thing, no, I can't let a good thing.
I'm in my parents' hotel room and I wanted to do a little update on how far I got knitting. My parents are moving me back for my senior year of college at FIT. I currently live in New York City in an apartment, and they're seeing me off for my first day of class of my last year of education, which is pretty cool. And I wanted to show my knitting update so far. I have finished both straps and I did the I-cording for the neckline, and all that's left to do is the I-cording for the armholes and then weaving in the ends, and I will be done. Maybe I should try it on. Is this what it looks like on? Mind you, I have a lot of ends to weave in. I thought it was gonna be like looser on me. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Here we go. So I thought it was gonna be looser on me. I do really like it. I would wear it. What's left is to do the I-cording right here and right here. And I did the I-cording for the neck and weave in the ends, but I'm so close to getting done. My mission is to get it done soon, hopefully. So that's the update that I have. Yeah.
Or is there someone else beside you? Left a left hand side behind and let you down? Or have you figured out how to sleep all by yourself? I know you always like to have someone around, and I can't let a good thing, can't let a good thing, I can't let a good thing lie. How you feeling now? 'Cause it's all in your face, you won't retract to me.
Okay. Hopefully you can hear me. The dishwasher is currently running, so you might hear that in the video, but you know, whatever. I still have a couple of ends to weave in on my top, but I wanted to try it on before I block it, because I think I'm gonna block it now and then weave in the rest of the ends. I weaved in like most of them, But I just wanted to show you like how it fits before I block it, because it's going to be like a huge difference. So this is what it looks like before blocking, and I wanted to show this to you because when I do block it, it's going to get longer, it's going to get bigger and fit a little bit looser. Right now this hem is rolling up, so when I go to block it, I'm going to fix the hem and all the stitches are going to look nicer. So this is before blocking.
Someone else beside you, left the left-hand side behind, and it's have you figured out how to sleep all by yourself? I know you always like to have someone around, and I can't let a good thing, can't let a good thing, I can't let a good thing. How you feeling now? 'Cause I saw it in your face, you won't retract to me.
Okay, this is what it looks like after blocking. It's a lot looser. I think it looks 1,000 times better like after blocking. It's a little bit more thin than I thought it was going to be. Some of the things that I learned while making this top was how to do I-cording. I didn't know how to do I-cording at first. And I-cording is just like this line that's right, this white line right along my neck and on the armholes. And I really like that. And then another thing I didn't know how to do was this double folded hem. And I think if I were to do this again, I would probably fix my error in the back right here. Overall, this took like a long time. And I definitely wouldn't make this again because it just took forever. And also the yarn kind of was splitting. Another thing I will say that I learned was I have done like 3-stranded color work before and like 2-stranded color work before, but definitely not of this like nature. This is a lot of different switching between colors, and my next sweater that I am going to cast on hopefully soon is also going to be color work, so I'm glad that I finished this to get practiced on first. I didn't really catch my floats on this top just because the floats weren't that long. They weren't like 4 to 5 stitches long. They were only really 3 stitches long, so I figured it just didn't. I wasn't gonna waste my time doing that just because the floats weren't that big. But overall, I really like the top. I think I'm definitely going to wear it. It's not my favorite thing that I've made, just because this was kind of like a struggle. But I am glad that I did finish this, and I'm trying to finish like as many whips as I possibly can.